Hey, what's up? I just wanted to do another quick vid because this is on its last day, the moose, and I did not get to change. Oh, that is a camel. Hang on a minute. Oh gosh. Okay. Because remember they said you could be a llama. Where's the llama? Oh, is that it? Oh, the owl's leaving! Oh, let's leave by it. Oh, I must own one. Okay, I already own one. Okay, so that's a llama. Oh yeah, I've been a llama before. I just forgot. Okay, and what else was there? You could be a llama... something... pets. Anyway, okay. So, today, we are going to go visit a band. Well, actually, I might be the guitarist. I'm feeling I'm going to be the guitar. I'm going to get dressed up. Oh no. Okay, I'm going to be the guitarist because there is no guitarist. Alright. And I will see you guys shortly. Okay, here comes the bus. This is going to be awesome. Beep. Right, everybody off the bus. Welcome, Seal. Come and join the band. Have fun. Oh, hello, Missy Wolf. Nice for you to join. And other Wolf, hello. Come in, join. So much fun. Oh, look who it is. The doctor has joined us for our party. Hello. Come and hop in. Come in. Oh, final two to hop off the bus. Hi, how's it going? Hi, come in. There we go. Take a seat. Good job. Now, bus is about to go. Meow. Hi everybody and welcome to my band. We are called the Skyrockers. And we hope you enjoy the show. Woo! Everybody rock! Put your hands up in the air! And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the band. Thank you all for coming. Hope you all had fun. It was rocking. Hopefully the tour bus will be here to pick you up very soon. Oh, here it comes now. Everybody, the bus is here. Seriously, the bus. Not even joking, the bus is here. Okay, the bus is... Thanks guys, see you later! Okay, so, a few of them stayed. Must be huge fans. But, I'm also going to quickly run to the summer carnival. Because... I don't know if I did that last time, but... I'll just show you that the... items here. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know they were in here. Okay, that's weird. I know what these were. Oh, that's where this is from. Oh, and the beanie. I didn't know that. so. Oh, maybe marshmallow. Remember these were worth heaps. Oh, that's because I had the red tag going. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I like that. Are these new? I don't think I've remembered these ones. Oh, what's this teddy? Yeah, I remember this one. I actually million gems. If anyone wants tickets, let me know. I'll buy some heaps. Buy them all. Bye. That many. Right. I want me that carnival. Yes, it's so cool. I like it. Buy me that. And I want that. And I want that. They're really, really cool. I wonder if that will look good. Now, quick game. This is like right there. This spot. Oh, it's not the spot. There. And hold. I don't know. Lost my touch. Maybe it feels that like. There and hold. Yeah, that's the one. There and hold. Oh, that was way off. But yay! Yeah, yeah. Oh! That's the ticket. Oh, too far. Let's get the 300 though. Woo! That's off. Dying because it was lit up too. Oh no. What else is there? I've only ever really played that, to be honest. What's this? Alright. Oh, you have to hit the target. Oh. Yeah, okay. That hit. What? I don't get it. Come on, that's hitting, right? Oh, I'm just letting it go. Oh, yeah, that's it. It's happening. Oh, come on. It's hitting. Oh, okay. This is probably why I don't play any of the other games. No, I do not want to play that again. What? Oh, you have to use keys? Oh, no. Ow. What do you have to do? What was shoot? Oh, that one. Ooh. Oh, what do I have to shoot? What am I shooting? Oh, the letters. Alright. Okay, let's see. Oh, not used to using keys. Oh, they eat. Oh, they eating my turns. Oh. Let's get more with this. Oh. Oh. Touch it. Oh, okay. So, yeah, okay. Chill. Get it. Ah, that was so off. Can I get that one? Ah! No. Oh, I'm gonna get this ready, set, go. Ah! No, you're mine. Go. Ah! Delayed. Lag. Shoot. Why isn't it shooting? Over here. Ah! No! No! Oh my gosh. Just, hey! Oh my gosh. It can't even get under it. Wait, what am I getting? Oh, I've got none left. Oh no, I said yes. Oh no. Okay, serious now. Ready? Now I've got the feeling. It's okay. Ready, steady. That was so right there. Yes. And there. Oof. Get you and you. Ooh, and that was way too early, dude. Oh! Okay, I can do this. I can't do this. Oh, la 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 la. Two. Come on. You just waste your arrows just on these dudes. Let me get that. Yes. Yeah, that was a sneak move. Seriously. What? Oh. Oh, yeah. What the? Oh! You're making me miss it all. You're wasting my turn. Yes. Oh, that was such a hit. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, not two at once. Come on, dude. Give me that! Oh, because I've hopped on your bottom ones now. Oh, no. Sorry. No. What's this? Oh, select and print. Ew. Where am I? Oh. What is this? I feel like this should be... What's this one? Don't touch the phantoms. I'm totally touching the phantoms, right? Ah! Oh! What do I use? The mouse. Oh, the mouse. Don't touch the phantoms! Ah! This is so crazy! Oh my gosh! What is going on? Ah! How many lollies do I need to get? Oh no! Oh! Oh my god! When does this end? Have I got like strikes or something? I can't see. I'm too busy not trying to get the phantoms. Not trying to. Ah! Oh! Give me my candy! Oh, that was a phantom candy. Oh no! What is it? Where? What? Oh, there's this time up here. No, I do not want to play that. I want to eat this. You know what? You make me lose. I'm actually going to eat you now. Eat a phantom. Punch it. Games are so much fun. I'm very bad at them. It's all good. Yes, eat the King Phantom. Oh, what's this one? I don't know what being up here. Oh yes. Do not hit the evilly electric-y one. Oh, hang on, so I can hit them. You silly. Don't hit the electric one. Oh, what about the gold one? Yes. Yeah. Hey, now you made me miss them. Yeah. I want to hit a gold one. Oh, you only had me. Where's the gold one? Hey, got ya. Oh! Where's the cookie gold one? Yeah. No, I do not. I do not wish to play. What's this? Oh, that's where the taco's from! I want it. taco. I want Oh, it's a plushie? Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. Oh. Anyway, that wraps it up. I'm gonna sit here by the fire and go now. Okay? Peace out. Ciao!